Hello, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. Very short little video to demonstrate this beautiful shamanic drum, which is currently for sale on our Etsy shop. This is a horse skin drum on an ash wood frame. If I turn it over, you can see it's got a branch handle. It's laced with artificial sinew. On the inside of the frame, I put the date of birth, which was the 1st of February 2023 in Knighton Powys, UK. I put my maker's mark and I put ash and horse in there too. I'm going to play with the soft beat at first. You can have a little listen. Here we go. I'm going to swap over. Whoop. I'm going to use a firmer beater. Here we go. I hope this little video helps you to make a more informed decision. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.